From this point, we can proceed into the open position that you already know. Then lady is going to unwrap, rotating clockwise. Start with the right leg to the side, take 2 steps, let go with the right hand, keep holding with the left hand. Man is going to lead by gently pulling with his right hand, then lady takes step to the side, second step connecting the feet, and then away from each other. Very simple, very nice. And 1, 2, 3 into the opening. One more tip for the man. Remember that while you're leading the lady with your right hand, there is a natural tendency for you to start going to the left into the opening straight away because you do not have to rotate. You've got less to do. So important thing is to wait for your partner. Wait until the lady finishes her turn. I'm standing on the right leg, and then together at the same time moving the body weight away from each other.